Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to discover some insider tricks to make your Canva covers pop? Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter any dimensions you prefer to start your new project tailored to your specific requirements and design goals. Start by adding a text box in Canva. Click the text tool, then type any word you want. Next, we will merge the text with another element to create a combined design. Select both elements by holding Shift and clicking each one. Then, use the group function to merge them, allowing you to move and resize them together. This streamlines your design process efficiently. Resize your screen to 10% zoom for a broader view. Use the pencil tool to draw or annotate precisely at this smaller scale. This helps create detailed sketches while maintaining an overall perspective of your workspace. If you cannot read the title instantly, your font size is too small, or the style lacks clarity. The second tip is the negative space rule. Leave 30% of your design empty to create balance, improve readability, and highlight important elements effectively. Use space strategically in your layouts. Leave 30% of the cover empty without any design. First, go to Elements and search for animals. Select the animals you want to use and add them to your design. Arrange the elements to fit within the covered area, avoiding the empty space. Adjust their size and position until you achieve a balanced look. Use the alignment tools to keep everything neat. Once you're satisfied with the layout, you can customize colors to match your theme. Remember to keep the empty space clear to maintain visual focus. Next, add any additional details or text if needed, but ensure they do not encroach on the empty area. This approach creates a clean professional cover that draws attention to your elements while maintaining breathing room. Review your design carefully. To begin, select the Design tab. Next, add your desired element to the canvas. Once placed, right-click on the new layer and choose Send to Back. This action moves the layer behind all others, organizing your design effectively. Adjust the position as needed by dragging the layer or using alignment tools. With the layer in place, you can further customize its properties. Access the formatting options to change color, opacity, or size, ensuring the element fits seamlessly into your composition. Remember to save your work frequently to avoid losing changes. To enhance your design, consider adding complementary shapes or text. Use the tools available in the Design tab to insert. Click the text tool, type your message, define the location by entering it in the field below. This will improve organization and clarity. Once set, place the item aside or save your changes to keep the workspace tidy and efficient. This helps maintain a clean and well-structured environment. Locate the specific text at the desired position on the screen. Confirm the alignment and placement to ensure it appears exactly where intended. Adjust as necessary until the text fits perfectly within the layout, maintaining clarity and visual balance for optimal presentation. Move forward once satisfied with the positioning. You can add any class unit here, such as 30, to adjust spacing. Then, place a contrast element behind the white text. This helps improve readability by making the text stand out clearly against the background. Applying a contrasting layer enhances visual hierarchy and ensures that your content is easy to see and understand. Use these techniques to create a polished and professional design that effectively communicates your message to the audience. To letter cut without damaging your background image, add a contrasting element. For example, if your background is black, insert a white shape or color behind the letter. This technique preserves the background while making the letter stand out clearly, ensuring your design remains clean and visually appealing. For our third tip, finalize your design and click Download. Before saving, increase the size to enhance quality. Then, proceed to download your improved design. This simple step helps your project stand out with sharper and clearer visuals, making a stronger impact. Master these Canva cover design tips to elevate your work and subscribe for more creative hacks.